Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can report an individual comment on TikTok. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but it's not necessarily intuitive. So let's say I am viewing the comments of a specific video here and I want to report it. Well, before moving on, I just want to tell you that I'm not actually going to report this comment because, I don't want to falsely report something. But you'll notice that if we tap on it, then it just gives us the ability to respond to it. So in order to report it, we want to tap and long hold. And then from there, you'll see this little menu that pops up, and now we can actually select report. So I'll go ahead and select report. And then TikTok has a pretty sophisticated reporting system here. You can select what type of report it is, or you can just go down to more. Let's say I select misinformation here. It doesn't just stop at misinformation. It's going to ask me a couple clarifying questions. Maybe I make it about the election misinformation. And this is what I'm talking about as far as I'm not actually going to go ahead and report this comment. This is just an example. But eventually it's going to then ask you, if you actually really want to submit this. So you can say, we don't allow the following. It'll kind of be specific about, hey, is this thing actually worth reporting? So then from there, you can go ahead and select submit. Again, I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to falsely report a comment, but that is how you can report individual comments on TikTok. Rather than like reporting the entire account, you can report individual comments. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, like it and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.